So AICP is a body, right? Like ICAI in India. So AICPA, they conduct exams for CPA, right? So they conduct uniform exams. Uniform exams means across all the boards. So in US, there are 55 state boards, and each and every state board, they provide license for CPA, and they do have their own criteria. But you know, those criteria are little bit different, but not very much different from each and every state boards. But AICPA conduct the exams, uniform exams across the boards, and also AICPA provide membership or license for AICPA body as well. Okay, so as I said, AICPA is a body, and AICPA do have code of professional conducts for all the members. Now, earlier it was hard copy, but now earlier it was hard copy. Just a second. I think Bharti is struggling to. Wait. Okay, I'm going to repeat here. AICPA Code of Professional Conduct. AICPA Code of Professional Conduct is is the professional conduct which auditor should abide with those codes of code of professional conducts, right? Now, what is AICP? AICP is a body, that conducts uniform exams for those 55 state boards, and AICP also provide you membership. And all these CPAs, they should abide with the AICP Code of Professional Conduct. So earlier it was hard copy, but in 2014 they converted that hard copy into the electronic version, right? So it's a 15 December 2014 when they converted electronic version. And what is the purpose of conversion? The purpose of conversion is so that code of conduct can be easily accessed and can be easily updated and easily searchable as well. In hard copy, yes, there were a lot of pages wherein you can go and you can search each and every pages. But in the website, in the electronic version, you can go to the AICP website and you can search easily, and even AICP they can update easily, and everybody can access easily as well. Let me show you. I think I do have opened that as well. So this is AICPA professional library, online professional library, and these are all AICPA code of professional conduct. So if you go to pub.aicpa.org code of conduct, then you will get all the AICPA code of conducts, at here. You have to go to this link and you have to just type code of conduct and you will see this. So there are title page, we do have preface. Preface is for part 0, and this is applicable for all members. All members means, what is members? Members means CPAs, whether those are in public practice, those are in job, and those are in unemployed or retired. So preface is applicable for all members, and in preface there are 3 parts: the part 1, part 2, and part 3. These are major parts, and in each and every parts there are a lot of interpretation, more than 50 definitions, and applications as well, right? So you will see all these conducts in there. If you just unfilter it, you will see introduction, what is the integrity and objective, what is the independence, and everything. You can go and search all these standards here. Okay, now, so this was the purpose. Earlier it was hard copy and more than 183 pages and more than that, right? And when you go and search, I think there's huge time consumption while searching all these things. But when it went live to electronic, you can search easily. You can just type it here, independence, and you will get the. If you type independent here, and you will get independence uh, independence code of conduct. Okay, moving to